While you sleep, your skin doesn't rest. It works. Cell turnover doubles. Collagen production peaks. Damage from the day is assessed and repaired. But here's what most people miss. Your evening routine can either support this night shift or sabotage it entirely. This is the exact evening protocol that accelerates healing while you sleep, maximizing your skin's natural repair window. Your skin operates on a strict 24-hour schedule. Day shift, protection. Your skin produces antioxidants, thickens its barrier, and defends against UV, pollution, and stress. Night shift, repair. Blood flow increases by 30%. Cell turnover doubles. Collagen synthesis peaks. Melatonin, your sleep hormone, acts as a powerful antioxidant. Your evening routine should align with this biology, not fight it. Step 1. The double cleanse. Not optional if you wore sunscreen. Not optional if you were outside. First, oil-based cleanser to dissolve sunscreen, pollution, and sebum, things water can't touch. Second, gentle water-based cleanser to clean skin without stripping. Why 2 steps? Because leftover sunscreen blocks your night products. Because pollution particles sitting on skin cause overnight oxidation. Your skin can't repair through a layer of grime. Step 2. The active window, and only at night. Retinoids, AHAs, BHAs belong here, not in your morning routine. Why? These ingredients increase cell turnover and can make skin photosensitive. At night, they work synergistically with your skin's natural renewal. Start low and slow. Retinol twice weekly, build up. Exfoliants 2 to 3 times weekly, not daily. Your skin repairs at night. These ingredients accelerate that process, not replace it. Step 3. Targeted treatment serums, after exfoliation or on alternate nights. This is where you address specific concerns. Niacinamide for barrier repair and redness reduction. Peptides to signal collagen production. Growth factors to accelerate healing. Apply on slightly damp skin for maximum penetration. These aren't moisturizers. They're repair instructions for your skin cells while you sleep. Step 4. The Occlusive Lock. Night moisturizer should be richer than day. Look for ceramides, shea butter, fatty acids. Then consider a final layer: squalane, facial oil, or sleeping mask. This occlusive layer prevents moisture loss while you sleep. It creates a sealed environment where repair ingredients can work without evaporating. Think of it as a humidifier for your skin, keeping everything optimally hydrated for maximum repair. Your products work harder when your environment supports them. Cool room, 65 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Heat disrupts melatonin and increases inflammation. Humidifier prevents overnight transepidermal water loss. Silk pillowcase reduces friction and absorbs less product than cotton. Complete darkness, melatonin production requires darkness. Phone away, blue light disrupts the sleep cycle that powers repair. Your routine isn't complete until your bedroom supports recovery. Here's your complete evening protocol. 8:30 p.m., no more screens, dim lights. 9 p.m., double cleanse, 5 minutes. 9:05 p.m., active ingredient, retinol, exfoliant, alternate nights. 9:10 p.m., treatment serum. 9:15 p.m., night moisturizer plus occlusive layer. 9:30 p.m., cool, dark, humidified room. 10 p.m., asleep. This isn't just skincare, it's a sleep optimization protocol that happens to include skincare. What you'll see in 30 days. Week 1, waking skin looks calmer, less reactive. Week 2, morning glow returns, fine lines softened. Week 3, texture improvement, even tone. Week 4, skin looks rested even when you're not. Your night routine is where skin transformation happens. Morning maintains, night heals. If you're ready to wake up to skin that actually looks like you slept 8 hours, smash like. It tells the algorithm recovery matters. Subscribe and hit notification bell. Next week, the ingredient glossary. Exactly what each product does and whether you need it. Your skin's night shift starts tonight.